Welcome, one and all, to today's taste test video, which is the best Hot Pocket? So I got 7 different types of Hot Pockets here, right? So for all you people, you know, rolling around late at night, trying to decide which Hot Pocket to get tomorrow at Target, you know, you're standing in the cold aisle and you're really fucking cold because you're just standing there trying to decide which one to get. This video is for you. Let's go. Now, we're ready to begin the test. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my. This is a work of art right here. Okay, so laid out we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which corresponds to this order as well. This is 1 and this is 7, okay? So now I'm gonna take 2 or 3 bites of each. First bite in order to really get a taste for the crust on the outside. Second and third bites to get a feel for overall taste and the filling, which are our criteria. Number 1, crust. Number 2, filling. 3, overall experience in my mouth. And number 4, miscellaneous. We'll get to that when we get to that. So now, let's start off with our first flavor, Lean Pockets Pepperoni Pizza. Okay. I'm a little guilty, but we're also a little guilty because I'm eating a Hot Pocket, but it's nice because it's a lean one, so it's like supposed to make me feel a little bit less guilty because it's healthy. Cheers. Okay. It's alright. Pepperoni pizza flavor kind of tastes like school lunch pizza, a little weak. Let's keep going. Second bite was better, for sure. So, cool thing about that is it started tasting better over time. Overall taste, weak. I'm gonna give that a, well, let's start with crust. I'm gonna give the crust, that was also weak, I'm gonna give it a 4. Filling started weak, got better, I'd average it out at a 5. Overall, weak. I'm gonna give it a 5 as well, but since it's a lean pocket, I'm gonna add to the miscellaneous, you know, like a point or something. Alright. So now we're moving on to our second flavor, which is meatballs and mozzarella. It's kind of fun to say. Meatballs and mozzarella. Okay. Wow. Upon first bite, major difference. This was super soft. This is like a little chewier. Maybe it's something to do with it being a lean pocket, but instantly already better. Okay. Oh, I see meatball here coming up. Gotta get in on that bad boy. Overall, much better. The crust was still weak. I'm gonna give it a 4. The filling, much better. I'm gonna give that a 7. Overall, 6. Miscellaneous, there's nothing real special about this guy. It was kind of fun to say the name, but I'm not gonna give any points to miscellaneous for that. Alright, on to number 3, which is Philly steak and cheese. You know, I don't get why they just couldn't call it Philly cheesesteak. Come on, Hot Pocket. Come on, bro. We all know. You ain't fooling nobody. So first off, looks like there's a croissant crust, and this thing looks sexy. This is sleek. This is aesthetic. Let's get in on this, okay? Wow. Oh my god. That croissant crust? Okay. Instantly crust is, this is like an 8. 8 crust. That's unfair to the other ones, honestly. Okay. Wow. Filling. Really good flavors. Damn, it's like a little dance in my mouth right there. Okay. That's gotta be, wow, that's a 7 or 8. I'm gonna write that 7 or 8. More bite. Wow. That was really good. I think overall that's gonna have to be an 8. The crust was good, filling was good, aesthetic, this is gonna be an 8. No miscellaneous points for this guy. Okay, flavor number 4. BBQ Recipe Beef. Kind of a weird name as well. This is a crispy, buttery crust. Let's see what that's all about. Well, this underside looks pretty interesting. It's like shreds or something. Here we go. Whoa! Very barbecuey. Crust is really weak, but I think that this one having the weak crust is good because it really helps accentuate the flavor of the barbecue beef inside. So I'm gonna give it like a, I'm gonna give it a 5 for not getting in the way. It's thinner. It's thinner than all the other ones. Filling is good for this. That's an 8. Really good. Overall though, the barbecue flavor is a little bit too strong and I'm not getting like the synergy that I got from this Philly cheesesteak guy, so it's going to be a 7 overall. No miscellaneous points. Alright, we're over halfway through. We are on to flavor number 5. And that is going to be the 4 meat and 4 cheese pizza. Oh, but wait, there's more. This one is high protein, you know? Get the gains and do it in 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay, here we go. Okay. Crust already weak. It's like kind of tasteless, really like doughy. That's gonna be a 4. It's a 4 for me, bro. That's a no for me, bro. Okay. Let's see what the filling is. Not bad, but like number 1, it's just a generic like school lunch pizza, kind of shit. Honestly, that's gonna be a 5 overall. I'm gonna be generous and give it a 5. 1 point for miscellaneous, because it has those gains. All right, number 6, ham and cheddar. This is a classic. Oh, here we go. Croissant crust. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Same as the other one. Crust is going to be an 8. Unfair, but it's really good. You know, that's quite interesting. The taste is much more low-key, but it works overall better. Like the synergy between the crust and the filling is really good. So I'm gonna give that an 8. But the filling itself is just like a basic filling. So I'm gonna give that like, it was good, but it was pretty basic. I'm gonna give that a 6. And miscellaneous, well, it actually does have 30% more cheese. So you know what? I'm going to give that a miscellaneous point. Good for you. More cheese. Always a win. And alas, I regret to inform that all good things must end. And we are now on our final flavor, which is 4 cheese pizza with a garlic buttery crust. Here we go. Okay, so like I was saying, crust, texture, doughy. For the other couple that have the garlic buttery dough, or garlic buttery crust. You know, the filling on this one though, this is good. Filling's good. So I'm gonna give it a 4. That was good. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a 7. Overall, the synergy was okay, a little weak. Probably go with a 6. Overall, a 6. Nothing special about this guy. No miscellaneous points. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to do some quick calculations. ladies and gentlemen, we have tallied the results, and it looks like in first place, our strongest competitor is the Philly cheese and steak right here, ladies and gentlemen. If you are at your local grocery store, this is the guy you need to get. This is the shit. All right, this is what I'm gonna get 7 of instead of this next time. All right. All right. Second place though. Let's say you're not feeling Philly cheese and steak; it's a little too strong. The classic. This is probably the one I ate first as a child. Even child Thomas knew what was up. Ham and cheddar. All right, good breakfast one. All right, and third, we're gonna have something, maybe another dinner one. You know, incredible flavor. Maybe you're sick of you know, the croissant crust guys. You know, taking first place all the time. Right here with the crispy buttery crust, we have the BBQ Recipe Beef. And since I'm from Texas, I gotta rep that barbecue, you know what I'm saying? So, and there you have it. The best Hot Pockets that you'll find at the store. Thanks for tuning in to Taste Test.